Hey everyone, today in the shed I'm dealing with an issue that lots of old cars have, and they just can't get it up anymore. That's right, we're replacing the struts. See, that one is a bit, you can't really see stuff behind it, but you can see that one has got a bit of a bend in it. And that ain't working too good. And then over this side, that one looks okay, but Shane got no lift. Anyway, over here, put together all the tools that I'm going to need to do the job. Like this is it's a T30 little star bit for the struts. This is to get the clips off the other end, and yeah, this is in case things don't go too well. But hopefully it doesn't come to that. This is had my little LD toolkit. It's not sponsored or anything, it's just a kit that has it in there, so it's the one I'll be using. First thing we're going to do to start this job is to remove the cable tie from the last job that we did. So just chop that off. If you don't know why that was on there, maybe go and watch the previous video after you finish this one. First thing you're going to want to do is to prop up the bonnet so that it stays up while you're removing stuff. Just be careful when you put it. Just try to find it there, because you don't want to damage anything. Lots of stuff you can snap off in here. Okay, yeah, maybe it won't be easy to find a spot. I want to put it there, but there's a little sensor, and I want to put it here, but I've just fixed all the coils. What if I go down here? This is for air conditioning, don't worry about it. And then that can go there. And then if it drops down a bit, it'll just break everything. So yeah, no, we don't want that. That'll work. So there we go, found a spot. So I had to let the bonnet down a bit, but it's sitting there nicely. Got my little LD tool here. Yeah, like I said before, it's a T30. It's just two little thingy bobs here that we've got to get off the sails. So we'll just hope it's easy. Hey, Alfredo. Hey, you helping? Yeah. You're always helping, aren't you? Take the two little screws out, there they are. They're not very long. And then you can see that. But that should now swing away. Nope, it won't. I had to adjust my prop over there. It's kind of dodgy, but we'll work it out. This shit out the way. Try not to short the battery out. Put it on there. Now we've just got a little clip in here, and if it's like the ones in the tray, that should just slide up. Let's get a screwdriver. Put something in there. Just slide the clip up. Once you get that clip slid up, it should just pop off. Easy. When you go to put yours on, just make sure that you have the strut the same way. So you could go that way, it could go that way. And yeah, you just want to make sure you keep it the same. So for us, we're going to put that big circle on the outside and a big circle on the inside. So it's another reason why to do one first and then the other. Just makes it easier. You may get away with pushing this on without releasing the clip. No, it does. Look at that. Now to do this, I'm just going to remove my little brace. Probably won't need that anymore. Pop this up. Swing this over. There we go. Just make sure you line it up pretty good. Here we go. So there you go, we've just clipped that on this side, lined it up down there, and already it's better. I've been able to take the brace off from the other side. Well, I had to lift it up, it would have fallen off, but yeah, that's already better. You might think, well, this is a shitty old car, why bother doing this stuff? Well, these struts cost me less than 20 bucks. So just go onto eBay, search for your car, and you will no doubt find them. I've done this on my Land Cruiser, I've done it on the hardcover on the back of the Ute. No dramas whatsoever. I mean, yes, they're cheap parts, but you know, for what they're doing, who cares? Makes it much easier to work on the car, easier to lift your bonnet. You know, if there's anything wrong with your latch, it makes it far easier for your bonnet to fly up on the freeway. All those things. So, you know, definitely worth the 20 bucks. Just make sure these are tight. Of course, make sure the top is still clipped on nicely. Yep, there we go. That's one side done. And then I guess we rinse and repeat on the other side. Okay, so you need at least 1.5 struts on there. Alright, so there's a little knobby that we click onto. I'll just show you on this side. Try and do it with one hand. Here's the thing. Put a little hole in there, clip on the back. Just push him on and catch the bonnet. Try not to drop your phone. Grab the cricket bat, get it in there to support the bonnets. There we go, problem solved. Okay, so there we go, both sides on. You can see already it's up further than it was before. And yeah, I don't know, just do a test. I haven't tested it yet. But see what she's like going up and down. Remember what it was like before? If not, I'll just put a little bit in here to show you. But now, oh, so much easier to lift. It was heavy before, and then now look, no way in the world it would do that before. For 20 bucks, just do it. Why not? Fire out. Make it so much easier to work on your car, safer. Thanks for watching. See you next time. And we should be working on the Tirana then. So if you like Tiranas, come back.